It's a beautiful day in Manassas, Virginia. We're here this morning to install a hand pump made by Simple Pump. We have to take the current well pump about 100 feet out to take off the wire guards of the pipe, because if we leave them on, we can't get the hand pump pipe alongside of the primary pipe. The well itself is only a few hundred feet, but we only have to pull out 100 or so to be able to get our new secondary drop pipe hand pump alongside this pipe. If we don't take wire guards off, there won't be any room to get that pipe alongside the primary. All right, we got our wire guards off, so now we can lower it back into the well. If you live in an area that doesn't have any wire guards or a bored well, you know, you can skip the step. You don't need to take your primary out to take the spacers off, because you'll have enough space. We have our primary pump back, reinstalled it, wire guards taken off. We have our new well cap that has been modified to hold this hand pump in place. This comes from the manufacturer, Simple Pump. And like I said, they have modified basically our well caps that we normally use, but they modified it to make their system work as well, which is really great because this one has a really thick gasket. It's double vented, so the well itself can breathe, and it seals it up very nice. So now we can go ahead and put our first pipe in and start lowering that. So here's the first one that sucks in the water from the foot valve through the cylinder inside this pipe. Unlike the primary pump pipe, this one has a rod. So as you're cranking the hand pump, the rod moves up and down with it, causing a plunger effect with the jet assembly, and it plunges the water upward to discharge it. You put your spacers in so the rod doesn't get knocked around down there, and it protects the rod. So we'll go ahead and lower this first piece in, just like this. First piece, you just gotta work the cylinder in there, get past the pitless adapter, and then we are good. And then it comes with a little jack to rest the coupling on, so you can go ahead and grab your next piece. We have to do this about 8 more times, but I'll show you the end result. All right, here's the finished product, guys. This is made by Simple Pump, and you know, they do come with weep holes so they don't freeze. So it gives, you know, it takes a couple extra pumps at first to get water flowing. But you can hook a hose up to this, put it into a bucket in case you know, you lose your power, primary pump doesn't work. You can come out here and have an emergency supply. Thank you for watching, and check out our website, nowater.com, for more helpful videos.